Okay folks, today I decided to try my hand at painting the Aztec masking. I finally got the consistency of the paint the way I needed it to go so that it wouldn't be too thick on the model. All I gotta do now is wait for it to dry up and start removing the mask and see how it comes out. Alright folks, continuing on, I wanted to show how it's coming out after the paint dried. It's starting to look really nice. It's got the effect that I was looking for on the hull. And this is the half section already done and peeled off. As you can see, when the light hits it, you can see all of the different patterns and stuff. And this other section here is the one with the remaining mask that I gotta remove. And once it's all done, I'll come back with another final shot of what it's gonna look like. And it's starting to take shape, folks. Really liking how this is coming out. I've also painted the parts of the nacelle. And I did some experimenting with brass color for the nacelles. I think they came out really nice. And what I did use, I used this stuff right here. And it seems to be pretty good. All you got to do is thin it down to the consistency of milk, and it sprays on really nice. And the good thing about it, this small bottle will do a lot because I just used very little for this piece right here, and it came out really nice. So I'm pretty impressed with this product. I like it, and it wasn't that expensive. It was like $2.99 for this bottle. I think I'm gonna go back and start picking up other colors and start experimenting with this paint. I really like it. I also use this guy right here to thin it, and again, very little I had to use, so a little bit goes a long way. Also, I plan to do some modifications to this gun. It's a nice gun, but it has a .35 needle on it. I'm going to be upgrading it to a .50 size needle, and I'm going to modify the front, replace the nozzles, and see how it does, because 3.5 is nice, but it just doesn't move the amount of paint that I want. So the next time you see this guy, it's going to be a little bit different. I'm trying to see if I can get a 50 ml bottle for the side. I got another one just like this. This is a TRN2. I got the TRN1 also coming in this weekend. I'm going to be doing some modifications to that one. I already have all of the parts for that one, so stay tuned so you can see how this guy comes along as we use it in this project to build the TOS 350 scale. Alright folks, I'm back with the final phase of the top portion of the saucer. It's all completed. Took all the masking out, and I gotta say it came out really nice. I'm very pleased with the way it turned out. Now to move on to the rest of the parts, and I also wanted to talk about some of the paints that I use. Let me just see if I can move closer. So this color that I put on the masking is pearl white. And what I did was I thinned it out quite a bit to the point where when you look at the bottle, it's got like the consistency of milk. And I just wanted to show that for those of you who are just starting out airbrushing, You don't want the mixture too thick or too thin. You just want it to look like milk. And this is an example of what that looks like. This is my first time dealing with this product, and I'm pretty pleased with the way it worked out. And I use the matching thinner for this type of paint. I wasn't sure if it was going to work right. It's my first time working with this product, but I have to say, based on the results, it came out really, really nice. I'm very pleased with everything. Now to move on to the rest of the saucer parts and give you an update in the next few weeks of how the rest is going to come out. That about wraps it up for this update. We'll see you around next time.